Hi, my name is Hunter Lindley, and I'm a solutions engineer at Checkmarx. Today, I'm here to talk to you about policy management. So since we're talking about policies today, I want to baseline really quick what a policy is within the Checkmarx One platform. So when we think about policy, that is what we use to determine if a threshold has been met to either cause an alert, maybe break a build. So this is an organizational setting where we determine, hey, maybe we don't want any more net new vulnerabilities on critical, as you can see down here, right? So just when we talk about policy, no, we're talking about some threshold that your organization may meet from a vulnerability perspective that we're trying to prevent against. I'm already in the policy pane, but just to do that, it's very simple to go to your left side nav bar and select policies. So once we're looking at a policy, we'll have our policy name. We'll be able to tag it if we need. And then as I was saying before, when I mentioned our thresholds, we set these set of rules for our policy. So in this example, right now we're doing this on all scanners. If there's any net new vulnerabilities, this policy will fail. So depending on that, we can either an alert or we can break the build if needed. So depending on how your organization sees this, we give you the capability to do either one. We can also determine policy by a specific scanner and rule. So here we could select a scanner, say maybe we only want to worry about our SCA vulnerabilities. We could do that. Or if we only worry about SAST, we're able to create a policy around that. So in this example, I created a new rule called test rule, and this is based upon a SAST finding. And based upon that, I set no critical vulnerabilities can be found. And if it is, this policy will fail. So again, we give you the capability to customize this to your organizational needs. And then again, we can break the build based upon that, that failure in policy as well. We can also come down and assign the policy to your projects here, or we create default policies. And then once we're done with this, we save the policy. And once it's applied, it's going to be what scans for those thresholds and determines if you're in compliance or not with your organization. A quick example of that too would be, I wanted to show you is, here's an example of a policy that failed. So this is, you can see up top, policy management violations, pull merge request blocked. So this specific pull request failed the policy or did not pass. And because of that, we get alerts, and then we can look at our findings based upon that policy. And that's how policy management works within the Checkmarx One platform. If you like this, we have a lot more videos on how to work with Checkmarx on our YouTube channel. Check out the link in the description for more.